Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see your Instagram account is logging into any of the device or not, which means if you want to see if whether your Instagram account is logging in the device you only have, or your account is logging in any of the other devices. So if you want to check any of the unknown devices and you want to remove that from your Instagram, then how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely, and you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset icon. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, you have to simply go back. And here, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the App Store, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And after updating the Instagram app, you have to simply open the Instagram app. And after opening the Instagram app, you have to click on that profile section here. And here you have to simply click on three lines. So in three lines, what you have to do, you will find the settings and activity here. So here you can simply find all of your activity related to your login, your password, your security, and all other options are available here. So here you can simply go to password and security, where you will find all of the settings related to that. And here you can simply find option of where you logged in. You will find all of the devices your Instagram account is logged in. And if you find any unknown device, you can simply click on that and you can simply remove that from your device. So here you can simply find password and security, and you will find the option of where you are logged in. So here you can simply find that. So if you find any unknown device, then you can simply remove that from here. So in this way, you can simply check whether any unknown device is connected to your Instagram account or not, and you can simply remove it. So hope you have liked this. If you can get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.